never thought it would be a problem, but it's getting worse.
I feel really bad, really guilty. It really affects our relationship. Effect on my mental health the next day.
I am a light sleeper, so it's really hard to bear the sound of the snoring. Having tried a lot of products, but nothing helps. It's so stressful.
Using this product consistently has been a great help.